Hello students, welcome to e-classes of Deepal School. I am Miss Sipra and today I am going to discuss a new chapter, that is class 4, chapter number 3, editing a document in Word. So today we are going to know how to select a text in MS Word, how to delete a text, and how to insert or replace a text. Then how to move and copy a text. Then after that, how to use undo and repeat options, and how to check spelling and grammars. Then how to use treasures. Then how to find and replacing a text. So you all know MS Word is the most popular word processing software. Okay, so this application software is used for typing, editing, formatting text, insert images and graphics in a Word document. In the previous class, we already learned how to create save document in MS Word. In this chapter, we are going to learn about editing a document. So after typing the text document, you may want to change some portions of text. Making changes in the already typed text is called editing a document. Okay, then if you want to editing the document, so you want to inserting, deleting something and copying and moving the text in Microsoft Word. So this is known as the editing of a document. So there are many tools, or we can say various tools, to edit the text in MS Word. So in the chapter, first we have to learn that how to select a text in MS Word. So here you can see that this one is a picture of your screen of MS Word. So you can see this one is a document. So whenever you want to select this person is get highlighted, okay, and a dark color stripe you can see over the selected text like this. So what are the ways to selecting the text or a line of text or a sentence or a paragraph? So a word, for a word selection you have to double click anywhere on the word, and a line of text selection you have to move the pointer to the selection area. It will change to a right pointing arrow and click once. A sentence you have to press Ctrl and then click anywhere on the sentence, and for a paragraph triple click on anywhere of the paragraph, and for multiple paragraphs and multiple lines of text you have to take the pointer and selection area and go to the selection area and just left of the first paragraph or the line until it changes to right pointing arrow. You have to press the left mouse button. Okay, then while you drag the pointer up or down, then the whole multiple paragraphs are selected. Then a large block of text, so you have to first click at the start of the selection and scroll the end of the selection. Okay, then press the shift key while you click where you want the selection end. And how to select an entire document, just move the pointer to the left of any text until it changes to a right pointing arrow and then triple click. So how to select a vertical block of text, press the alt key on your keyboard while you drag the pointer over the text. Then here we can see some another ways or another combination of keys for selecting the text or portions of text in MS Word. So first one is shift plus right arrow for the one character selection to right, and left arrow for left, and shift plus home for current position of the text beginning from a line or beginning of a line. Then shift plus end is used to select text from current position to the end of the line. Okay. Then shift control plus A, that is select the entire text document. Then deleting the text. How to deleting the text? You have two ways, that is backspace key and delete key. Students carefully learn that to delete text to the left of the cursor, you have to put first the cursor in the word first. Okay. Then after that you have to press the backspace key and this first letter is deleted. This is the use of backspace key. But in case of deleting key, you if you want to delete the whole document, it also deleted. And if you want to delete only a word, only a single word or a single character from the line, it is also be delete. But you have to first select the text what you want to delete, then after that you have to press the key of delete for deleting the documents data. Then inserting or replacing text. So how to insert and replace a text? So place the cursor to the right of the character where you want to enter the text. For example, given on the next page, the cursor should be to the right of the word A. Here you can say, here the cursor is here. Okay. So now type the new text what you want and placed here, and the existing text moves to right. Okay. And this one is moves to right, and here what you want is written. This one you can see A, and before that the treasure is inserted here. Moving and copying text. If you want to move the text from one area to another area, you have to first select the desired text and cut the text from its plain place, and then paste the text to its new location. We use the cut button to cut the text, and the text is copied from the document and placed on the clipboard. Okay. Then you know already that to create a duplicate document from the original text and leaving the original text as it is, this is known as copying the text. And we have to just simply copying the text, and after that we have to paste it in that part where we want. Then you can see here, clipboard is a temporary memory location of RAM in the RAM of the computer. To cut and copy, we have to do following. First you have to select the text what you want, then use cut. If you want to cut, use cut, or you can say that first select the right arrow, right cursor, and then after that you can see a box is open here, and you have to just choose copy or cut, and then in the clipboard group on the home tab. To paste the cut or copied text, we move the cursor to the location where we want to the text to be placed, and then click on the paste where you want. Okay. So to cut we use Ctrl plus X, to copy we use Ctrl plus C, and to paste we use Ctrl plus B. Then how to use undo and repeat options, we can see it in next class. So till then thank you. See you in next class, students.